Vern here, WW8VS. This is the beginning of battery box build 2. I'm starting with a 30 caliber MTM case guard ammo can and an 8 amp hour Miady battery. We're going to take some measurements and figure out where we're going to put the connectors and which connectors we're going to use this time. We'll show you more in the next segment. Vern here, WW8VS. In this segment, I'd like to go over what I did with the battery box build number 2 and what I did different. This image of the interior of the box. In this particular build, I chose to do things a little bit different. Tried to simplify the wiring some, and hopefully it'll work out. The positive red lead on the left goes through a ATC type fuse holder and terminates on the power block on the left, supplying fused power to that block. And on the right, covered up by the fuse, you see a negative or grounding block, which is powered by the black ground wire coming off the battery. And this time I only used a couple of devices. On the side here, all I put in was a PowerWorks connector for power poles, Anderson power poles. The top two will be for charging the battery. The bottom two would be for use with the radio. For a voltmeter this time, I used a combination unit that, if memory serves me correctly, I saw on one of Mike K8MRD's videos. It itself has a power button. And then it'll tell you the volts in the battery. It also has a USB-A connector and a USB-C connector. You can put it in a mode where it's just the red light lit, and I'm guessing there's still power going to it that powers the USBs, or you can long press the button and turn it off completely. And that's the only two things I've put on this battery box. My intention is to see if that's going to be enough if I take it out for any portable operations, or whether I need to add more USBs, or I intend to add banana plugs to the next battery box build, which will be a 16 amp hour. But that's pretty much it for this one. There's really nothing else to it. I'm going to charge it up completely and see how long it takes to run it down based on how much I'm drawing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you get something out of it. There'll be a list of the parts I used in the description below. Click like and subscribe. You can always unsubscribe if you don't like the videos. Thanks for watching. Vern, WW8VS, 73s.